Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this really pretty holiday glam look using all drugstore products, and a lot of these products are actually really good products that I would recommend to you guys. And I feel like this is a really easy, simple look that a lot of you guys can achieve, so I wanted to share this look with you guys and some of these really bomb affordable products, especially for those of you on a budget like me, want to know what's good for the low, and I don't know, maybe just get some inspo for Christmas since it's right around the corner. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. I really want to play music right now because nobody's home and it's so quiet in my house. But I can't have music in the video, it's so sad. So I am just putting concealer on my lids. This is from ColourPop. I know some people don't consider ColourPop drugstore, but the concealer is really affordable. I'm pretty sure it's $4. And it's just honestly one of the best affordable concealers. It actually is the best affordable concealer that I've ever tried, in my opinion. So you can use whatever drugstore concealer. I'm gonna go in with this cute little palette from Wet n Wild. This is the Rose in the Air palette. It's really pretty, and the shadows actually perform really well. I'm going to go in with this light shade right here. They don't really have names. And kind of use it to highlight my brow bone. I'm just dusting that all over the lid with a pretty big fluffy brush. Now I'm going to go in with the transition shade at the bottom and start applying that in the crease and blending it upwards. You can build this up to the intensity you like. I just don't want the eyes to be too intense since I'm going to go in with a bold lip. I kind of want it to be a little simple on the eyes, I guess you can say. So now I'm going to start taking this shimmer shade right here. It's like a light gold shade, and I think gold shades are really pretty for the holidays. So I'm going to do a little spritz on my brush just to make it a little bit more pigmented. And I'm going to apply this to like the first half of my eye. I'm going to start taking this like chocolate fudge brown shade and deepening up the outer part of the eye. Now I'm going to take this really pretty... Oh, I forgot to put my ears on. I just remembered. I was going to put this on because my hairs are sticking everywhere. Okay. So I'm going to apply this really pretty gold glitter. It's from NYX in the shade Crystal Silk. And I'm kind of just going to apply this over that shimmer shade we applied, and it's going to give it like a nice pop. And I like this because it's really, really easy to work with. The applicator is really thin, and like you have good control over where you want it to go. Okay, so that is it for the eyeshadow part. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, using my spray just to hydrate my skin a little bit. This is the Mario Badescu spray. Now I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Pro Glow Infallible foundation. You guys know that I freaking love this foundation. taking that same concealer from ColourPop that I used earlier for under the eyes. A little bit on my chin and on the forehead and a little bit on the nose. I like to drag the concealer down under my nose because I have a lot of redness right here. Now I'm going to take my Coty Airspun powder and set my face. I'm going to take this CoverGirl powder and set the rest of my face and also use it to wipe that bake away. Now I'm going to use my Essence bronzer. This is 01 Natural. I'm going to use this eyeshadow as highlight because it gives a really pretty pop-in like gold glow. This is Triple Crown Baked Shadow in Dulce de Leche from J-Cat Beauty. For blush, I'm going to use Milani Luminoso. I'm going to use the same setting powder to carve the cheekbones out. Now I'm going to do the lower lash line, and I'm just going to take that transition shade and put it in the lower lash line. I'm going to take that same highlight I used to highlight my inner corners. I'm going to dust that powder away. And kind of make sure everything is blended out. Now I'm going to set my face with my Milani Make It Last spray. Now I'm going in with my mascara from L'Oreal. This is the telescopic one in Carbon Black. For lips, I'm going to go in with this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Monte Carlo. Okay, I did not like how that lipstick from NYX looked. It just wasn't pigmented and looked pretty bad. So I went over it with this tiny, teeny little ColourPop lipstick in Creeper. It was the only affordable red lipstick I had other than the NYX one. And this one looks a lot better. But yeah, this is the completed holiday glam makeup look. I really like how this look turned out. I tried to cut down how much I was talking so the video wouldn't be super long, and I just wanted it to be like a quick tutorial that you guys could follow. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you want me to film more holiday looks or more drugstore videos. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. We are so close to hitting 200, so don't forget to subscribe and join my little family. Give me a comment down below, let me know what video you guys want me to film next, and yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.